First open a browser and search here Android Studio download. And click on the first link. And here is the Android Studio. Click on download Android Studio. Click here and read the terms and condition. Scroll this terms and condition and tick here I have read and agree with above terms and condition and click on download Android Studio. Click here. Now downloading start here. This is almost 1.1 GB file. Now download complete and click on the folder option. And here is your Android Studio latest version setup in the download folder. Double click on setup and click yes. Now click on next and click on next. Now click next and click on install. Now click on next. Now click on finish. And click OK. And you can choose any option here. Click on next. Keep the standard mode and click on next. Now click on next. Select here Android SDK licenses. Click accept and now click on Android SDK ARM DVT licenses. Click accept and now click select the Intel Android extra license. Click on accept and now finish. Here is the downloading component. It will take a Now click on finish and here is a Android Studio and I create a new project. Click on new project and I select empty views activities. And click next and give the project name here and I select language Java or Kotlin. You can choose any and click finish. And the latest Gradle is downloading and here is the documentation about new version of Android Studio. Now Gradle sync complete and now run the emulator. So our emulator is running successfully. Now our Android Studio installation complete. For creating new apps, click here in 4 lines and new project and select here to project type. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me like, share and subscribe the channel.